Sup, y'alls?
Today I'm playing
You're not allowed to show me on camera.
Pizzeria. Papa's Pizzeria. So my name is, it'll appear up on name screen. Caps. Oh, it's not working. It will, see? Yeah. Amy.
You're Esmeralda. You typed it in wrong. Why are you zooming in so close?
Okay, this is the intro, but I do not want to go through the intro right now.
You
Anyway.
picked a boy.
No, I didn't. It just went on right away. Okay, so
This is
there
my
is a ordering station, but it's showing me all this other stuff. Okay, so first customer is this weird Justin Bieber looking guy. Yeah, it's Justin Bieber. So let's take his order. He wants that much of pepperoni, 4 pepperoni, 10, that's 10. Alright, cut perfectly. Alright, now we're going to put this up here on this little edge right here. Now we're going to the baking stage.
Hey, did you guys see the Halloween kitty I made?
No.
Did you see? Look at her dress. See what's on
Come
there?
back.
It's got like skulls and spiders and stuff for Halloween.
Where's my video
And
quality?
she's got her
Way
Halloween
better.
mask on. I made the whole thing. I made the cat
You're the
too.
only kid who saw cracks in
Made
his
all the
follow
clothes.
camera.
She's got her pretty pantaloons on and the boa.
Okay. Now we're going to make the pizza. Okay, so we need 4 pepperonis.
Look at her dress.
One there, one here,
Spiders and skulls.
one here, and
It's
here.
all on camera.
And she's got it wearing her Halloween.
Okay, that's 4. Never mind. Don't need that one.
Well, not with the sunlight.
Alright. Looks fabulous.
Cool.
Okay, it needs to cook
I
for...
made her up there in the sewing room.
Okay, I'll take it off when it needs to be taken off. It's an order with the other girls up there.
Did you eat?
I did.
Did you? Did you have enough?
Order. Alright.
You're so hungry.
Take her off. There we go. Now it's time to slice. So you need to slice it perfect way, that way. And it needs to be perfect and straight down and that way. It's not straight. Whatever. Alright, my big hands. Ah! So it's like, see the light? It's like, ah! Hey! I got a cardboard.
That's the bugs.
Alright, next order. This fat old man. He needs a small pizza, doesn't he? Okay, never mind. Alright. 8 pepperonis.
Contemplating the universe.
Alright. Can you play another game? After this one. Here, basis. I'll make another pizza. I'll do one of the other pizza ones. Not pizza ones, but you know what I mean. Can you do the spaghetti? Sure. I wonder what that is. Tell me down in the comments what you want me to do next for pizzas. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Look at the ceiling for a second. I'm gonna stay on that so I can show all the 8 pepperonis. Okay, 8 pepperonis. Let's check this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. 8 pepperoni. Into the oven she goes.
8.
Alright, and it's to cook to that knob. So then I'm going to slide it to overboard.
O-W-E-E-S.
So, in the meantime, tell me what you want to do next for Papa's thing. So, spaghetti! Not good. Okay. Now we have to make a perfect. Alright, that's not perfect, but whatever. Oh God. Yeah, that's
That'll take about 13 seconds.
I know. It does. It does. Oh my God. Come on. Come on. It's there. I had to stay on the pizza. There we go. Finish order.
Heaven in a box.
His eyebrows, though. Those eyebrows, though.
You can look like your face.
Alright. Let's see what I tips today.
You're happy.
Total tips. Right. Good game. Now, in the next video, we are going to play a different game besides the pizza one. We're going to do Papa's something else. Pop. Say bye. Blah. See, nice face.